everyone, welcome back to my channel. Since yesterday happened something really sad, I just want to share with you guys even this side of crocheting. So basically, most of you know if you follow me on Instagram, which is Chainonestitch. You know guys, I was almost done with my tank top, and I kind of follow a pattern for that. Follow the pattern here on YouTube from For the Frills. I was almost done to do this tank top and I did the tank top too much long, that when I tried to wear, I wasn't confident. That's why I wasn't really sure to go forward with all the projects. I have a lot of doubt, so I decided this morning to just frog all the project. I frog all the project, and I already start. I frog the project here in a bottle. I do a reel, so if you want to see, you can see on my Instagram. It's temporary until I don't have the yarn ball winder. Yeah, I start again with the half of the chain number that I used before with the first attempt of doing this tank top. Another reason why I don't want to going forward with the first project of my tank top is because I don't want to waste yarn if I have to hide all the yarn that was like this. So I don't want to waste yarn, don't want to waste time for something that it's not really convince me, it doesn't give me joy like Marie Kondo. Now I'm continue to crocheting. Let me see if I can put you here. Okay, so guys, I am so excited to tell you that I'm already done with half of the tank top. Here, this is going to be under the armpits, and this is half of the neck, and it's way more faster than the first attempt, guys, because I mean half of the day I already done almost the front one side of the tank top, and I don't know, it's a quite short. It seems like a crop top, but not that crop. But yeah, maybe when I redoing all the things here, the single crochet, I will be doing more rows, and I'm so excited. I think I will be finish this part tonight, and so tomorrow morning I can start for the other side and finish by in 2 days, I think. Yeah, I'm so
Yo, Tania.
I don't know if you can hear me, guys, but it's really early, so let's do this. So guys, day 3, and I just want to show you guys how far I am right now, because I think tonight I will be finished, or maybe tomorrow morning, I don't know, I have to figure it out. I finish the first panel. This is the front or the back, I don't know, and this is the half of the panel. So I crochet all of this morning, and now I'm going to crochet again a little bit while my daughter, she will sleep. And yeah, I think tonight I will be finished, and I'm so excited because tomorrow I can start to do the mandala square. The only thing that I have concern is the underarms here. So I'm a little bit worried that this part is too big, but yeah, let's see, guys. Love you. Well, guys, something happened. Something has happened. I told you guys that I was worried about the underarms part, and then when I saw the video on YouTube, I know already the mistakes. So I did the stripes. I did 2 rows more, and this give me really too much space on the underarms. So now I don't know how to figure it out. I have to frog again for the second times. Yeah, I have to frogging everything for the second time. I don't know how to title this video. The reality of who do crochet, or the reality to frogging this project to time. And it's already 10 days that I'm working on this tank top. Why I didn't check again the video. Good morning, guys. So this tank top finally is, I finished to crochet the tank top. I just want to show you guys the process, because I have to now attach everything. Like here, I have to sew here. Time for the granny square. I have some color here, and I don't know how I will start. I don't know which color to use, and I will work with this milk cotton yarn for ply. And yeah, I have this kind of color. I don't know, this kind of color, or maybe working with the gray. Working with green, yellow, and blue wipes, and maybe adding a pink. Like this, instead of, I don't know, I love them all. Can you see them mixed together?
Every kiss is like a hitting on my
finished my mandala, and I did 3 rows the same, and I will following that line in here, and I just put here like a pocket.